What's good, YouTube? It's srt.javanti. I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be installing a Anderson composite diffuser. So let's get unwrapping the diffuser out the plastic and we can start installing it. Okay. Alright guys, so now we got the Anderson composite diffuser right here. I'm going to start opening it. Make sure if you get Anderson composite stuff, when it first comes in, check it because they give you a day before you have to put in like a claim just in case it have imperfections or they have a crack in it, because they only give you all day before they're not gonna help you with your issue now. So make sure you check it before you start waiting to put it on or to install it. Just make sure. But it did come in a big box, so there might be something else that's coming soon that might come to the channel, but there was a big box that came in with stuff. Diffuser. There's a diffuser right here. As you can see, it's carbon. Anderson composites only do carbon stuff. You might see a lot of Mustangs and Camaros and Corvettes that run Anderson composites, but there ain't too many people that have the diffuser for Anderson composite, especially on YouTube. Wanted to try something different, but we're gonna get on to the install. Guys, so this is what the stock diffuser look. They're gonna have 4 bolts underneath the diffuser, and then they're gonna have 2 clips on each end that you have to take off, and then you can pull the whole entire diffuser off. So we're gonna start doing it. Alright guys, so we're under the car now. So we got 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then on the side they got 1 clip on each side. So I'm gonna start unscrewing it. They are 9 30-second bolts, but you also can use a 7mm to get them off if you don't got that. So we're gonna start taking them off to take off the diffuser. Here's one. Make sure you don't get it on your eye. All that rocks. That's gonna be under here. One more. And then you just need to get a screwdriver to take out the clips. Alright guys, he was able to pull the whole entire clip out. Now you can see it's like a big clip that you have to try to force out, or try to pull the whole entire top end off. To try to get them out, you just pull the other one out on the other side. So you should be able to just pull the diffuser off, and then you can start installing the new one. Alright guys, so now you're yanking it off. Try to make sure you don't break nothing. Just in case if you have to put this back on. Oh, it came off that easy. So we better grab the carbon fiber diffuser and start installing it. Alright guys, so we got the new diffuser. It comes with these little metal tabs. Most likely, probably gonna have to bend them straight and then try to stick it in through the hole, and then try to stick a hand behind it and try to bend them back. So we're gonna see what's the best route to do it. To try to stick your hand in there to try to bend them back. So we're gonna see and then get back to it. Alright guys, so we almost got the diffuser on. So all we did was bend the tab straight and then try to fit them all through the little holes. And now he's trying to take off the other panel to try to get to the tabs and try to bend them down. We already bent most of them down. We're just trying to get to the middle to try to bend it down so it can be a little bit more flush.
Put this piece back up.
We'll put the tray back in there. I gotta screw back on the 10mm bolts back on there. I'm gonna screw those back on, and then we're gonna do the 9 32nd bolts or 7mm bolts. I'm gonna try to put those back in, and then that should be it with the install. And then the two clips on the side, and then that should be it with the install.
Oh man, this sucker ain't going no place.
Alright guys, so we just finished up. This is what the diffuser looks like. What the diffuser look like. You can see it from the back. I wish you could have found like a better video, but it was only 2 of us, and you had to have one person pressing against it while the other one is pulling the clips down. But it was an easy install, not too hard. But I'll probably find a space to try to air out the car and see how it looks aired out. But I'll see you in another clip. Alright guys, this is what the diffuser looks like now. That's on the car. Not too aggressive, but subtle. And the metal piece of the fence, so now you can still see that course assembled tips. But this is the end of the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think I got next. Did I get a wing? Did I get a lip? Did I get a side skirts? Let me know, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.